welcome to this video. Our today's topic is playing with numbers. In this chapter we have to study the following topic. First is simplification, second is divisibility rule, third is factors and multiples, fourth is HCF and LCM, and fifth one is prime factorization. This is the first part of our video which covers the above two topics only. Now, in order to simplify, we have to know the rule. Which rule? BODMAS rule. BODMAS. BODMAS, where B stands for bracket, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So this is BODMAS rule. We have to follow this whenever we have to simplify the question. Now take one example from our book. First example is 24 minus 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. Now simplify this expression. How to simplify? You have to follow the BODMAS rule. Here no bracket is there, so we don't have to open the bracket. Division, check for division. Yes, division is here. So 24 as it is minus, do the division process. 20 divided by 5 will be 4 multiplied by 2. Next step, 24 as it is minus 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Now answer is 16. 24 minus 8, answer is 16. In this way, we will simplify our question. Now see one more example. Second example is 30 minus 8 divided by 2 into 3 minus 4 bracket close, curly bracket close. To solve this expression, first of all you have to know what is brackets. How many types of brackets are there? So here this one is small bracket, which is also known as parenthesis. This one is curly bracket, which is also known as braces. This one is square bracket, which is also known as big bracket. And this is the priority to solve the bracket. First you have to solve the small bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. Now solve this. Here first you have to solve the small brackets. So 30 as it is minus curly bracket as it is 8 divide, here 2 into 3 is 6 minus 4. Still bracket is there because it is not completely solved. Now again 30 minus curly bracket 8 divide 6 minus 4 is 2, bracket get solved, curly bracket. Next is 30 as it is. Now solve this. It will be 4, bracket get solved. 30 minus 4 is 26. So our answer is 26. Now we have to study the other topic, that is divisibility rule. Divisibility rule. The first question is, why there is the need of divisibility rule. Here is very important topic of your chapter. So in this we have to know why there is the need of divisibility. So take one example. One girl is there. Her name is Vagni. She wants to celebrate her birthday with her 125 toffees with 25 classmates. Total 125 toffees. She wants to distribute this 125 chocolates equally among 25 students. So, she decides what to do. First, she decides to distribute 3 to each. But what happened? After distribution, she realized that some chocolates remain. So, next she decides to distribute 6 to each. Then, while distribution only, she realizes that some chocolates still having shortage of some chocolates. So, she is not able to find how to distribute 125 chocolates among 25 students. If we simply divide 125 by 25, we'll get the answer. Means she did division of total chocolates by total student. When she did that, she got to know she got 5 as a answer. Means 5 chocolates to each. So whenever the number is smaller, like 125, 185 and all, we simply divide it by the number and we'll get the answer. But if the number is bigger, like 1, 8, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, then it is very complicated to divide. So, to solve this complexity, we will find out one method, and that method is divisibility rule. Now, I told you the divisibility rules of numbers. First divisibility. Divisibility rule. So first is divisibility by 2. How the number checks, how we'll check the divisibility by 2. So in the divisibility by 2, a number is divisible by 2 only if the unit digit contain 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Only these numbers are there in the unit place, then the number is divisible by 2. Take the example: 7, 10, 8, 56, 4, 89. Check the divisibility of 2. Here, the unit digit is 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, it is divisible by 2. Unit place is 6. Yes, 6 is here. Divisible by 2. Here, unit place is 9. 9 is not here. Means it is not divisible by 2. Now, next is divisibility by 3. So, a number is divisible by 3 if sum of its digit is divisible by 3. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Take one example. example is 834051. Sum of its digit means addition of all digits. 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1. Add all. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 0, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Is it 21 divisible by 3? Yes. 21 divides 3 by 7 times. So, this digit is divisible by 3. Now, divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. In this case, if the sum of last two digits, if the last two digits of number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Take one example. Suppose 928. Last two digit means 28. 28 divides by 4? Yes. How many times? 7 times. It means 928 is divisible by 4. Take one more example. 486. Now take last two digit means 86. Now divide this 86 by 4. Is it divisible? No. It means 486 is not divisible by 4. Next divisibility is divisibility by 5. In this condition, our number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 and 5. If the unit place is 0 or 5. Unit place is 0 or 5. Means the unit place either it will be 0 or it will be 5. Take the example 725 610. Here unit place is 5. It means 725 is divisible by 5. 610. Unit place is 0. It means 610 is divisible by 5. Now next divisibility is divisibility by 6. Divisibility by 6. In this, a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisible by both 2 and 3. So, take one example. Suppose 728. 728. Check for 2. You know the divisibility condition of 2. If the unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divided by 2. So here 728. Unit place is 8. It means it is divisible by 2. Now check for 3. 728. Divisibility of 3 is if the sum of digit is divisible by 3. Means sum of digit is divisible by 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. So, is 17 divisible by 3? No. It means 728 is not divisible by 3. It total means that 728 is not divisible by 6. Now, take one example for checking the divisibility of 6. That example is 725. Sorry. 7, 1, 2, 8 and 6. 7, 1, 2, 8, 6. Here the last digit is 6, means it is divisible by 2. And the sum of digits 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6. 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6. What is that? 8, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 is divisible by 3. Yes. It means this whole digit is divisible by 6 because this digit is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now, divisibility by 7. Next divisibility is divisibility by 7. Divisibility by 7. This is very unique concept. In 7, a number is divisible by 7 if the difference between double of the digit at one's place and the number formed by next remaining digit is multiplied by 7 and is divided by 7. Means, take one example, 6, 8, 9, 5. Take this example, 6, 8, 9, 5. They are saying if the double of unit digit means 5 multiplied by 2, double will be 10. It is saying that if the difference of double of unit digit and the remaining digit, so here remaining digit is 689, remaining digit difference by double of the unit digit is 10 is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. So it will be 679. And yes, 679 is divisible by 7. 7 9 times 63 and 7 7 times 49. So yes, it is divisible by 7. That's why this digit is divisible by 7. Now, next divisibility is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 8. In this, if the sum of last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. If the sum of last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. So example is 6, 7, 5, 4, 1, 1, 2. Now check for the last 3 digits. Which are the last 3 digits? 1, 1 and 2. Check. 1, 1, 2 is divided by 8. Yes. 8, 1 is 8. 8, 4 is 32. So yes, it is divisible by 8. That's why this whole digit is divisible by 8. Now, divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9. In divisibility by 9, we have to check a digit is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. It is same as 3 divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So example is 8, 7, 1, 0, 2. Suppose this is example. The sum of digit means 8 plus 7 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 0 as it is 16, 17, 18. 18 is divisible by 9? Yes, 18 is divisible by 9. That's why this whole number is divisible by 9. Now, next divisibility is divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. In divisibility by 10, we will say that a number is divisible by 10 only when its last digit is, its unit digit is 0. Its unit digit is 0. So we can say that 27543 last digit is 0, means this number is divisible by 10. Now next divisibility is divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of the digit at odd place and the sum of the digit at even place difference is either 0 or the multiple of 11. Now take one example. 7, 5, 4, 3 and 8. Suppose this is the example. 7, 5, 4, 3, 8. What I said you? The sum of digit at even place. Sum of digit at even place. So sum of even place. Find out the even place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the even place and rest all are the odd place. So even place, sum of even places 8 and sum of digit at odd place. Odd places 7 plus 4 plus 8. 7 plus 4 plus 8 will be 19. Now you have to subtract odd place to even place, means 19 minus 8. And if the number is 0 or the multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Here answer is 11. Yes, 11. Number is 11. It is the multiple of 11 or 0. So that's why this whole digit is divisible by 11. That's all.